guys, welcome back to another Taobao haul. These are the things that I bought for 618 Taobao sale and I'm going to unbox them now. So these are the things that I purchased during the 618 mid-year sale, which happened about a month or so. For this haul, most of the stuff that I bought are non-deco stuff. Don't worry, because I've already bought more than enough of that. So for this time, majority of the things that I bought are more catered to household items. I'm not sure if you watched my quarantine vlog / what I've been doing during quarantine video. So if you didn't know, I've been doing a lot of cooking lately. You can check out my video over here. So because I've been starting to cook myself, I bought a lot of stuff that will make my life so much simpler when it comes to cooking. Let's start on the first item that I bought. So the first item that I bought is this. So it looks really weird, I know, but this is actually a kitchen hack item. So for example, when you want to do minced garlic or chopped garlic, for example, you have to chop it multiple times in order to make it really small pieces and really minced or chopped. As you can see, there are 3 blades inside, so this will help you. Okay, this way you can see it better. So with this, right, you just have to pull this. Oh my god, look at that. So you just have to pull and your garlic will become minced garlic. Wow! Oh my god, how amazing is that, right? You no longer have to chop it until it becomes so small, and which is very time consuming. So this really helps a lot, and personally I really love to eat garlic, so most of the dishes that I cook will have garlic in it. So this will really help me to cook a lot faster and I won't have to chop until my hands ache. So this is really amazing, right? So I discovered this on Taobao and I was like, oh my god, I have to buy it. So yeah, I got it and I can't wait to use it. I haven't really used it recently because I haven't been cooking these days. So for tonight, I'll be trying this out and I will let you guys know how it performs. Oh yes, I have a pimple over here. Okay, another item that I bought, which is also for cooking. I've not yet opened this yet. Let me just quickly open this up. Okay, so for this, right, as you can see over here, actually I have no idea how to use this lah. What is this called? It is called 多功能切菜器, which is multifunctional blade for you to cut your vegetables or whatever they need to cut. So as is written down here, you can cut 粗丝、细丝、薄片、切花、磨蓉. Yeah, I think that's how it's pronounced. So if you want to do土豆丝, right, you have to cut until it becomes very thin slices. So if you have this, you don't have to spend so much time cutting anymore. This will really make my life so much easier when I want to do 土豆丝 or 土豆片. I can't wait to use this, and I'm not sure how effective is this, but when I saw it on Taobao and I saw some reviews by other users, it seemed really user friendly, and I'm just going to try it when I cook 土豆丝 the next time. So yeah. The next household item that I have is this cute pair of slippers. Oh my god, it's so cute, right? So there are tiny little strawberries on it. Okay, so why I wear slippers at home is because I feel that my room is very clean and the living room and the kitchen is not as clean as my room. I don't mean that the floor outside of my room is dirty or whatever. I just feel that the floor in my room is very clean and I don't like to go to bed with dirty feet or dusty feet, if you get what I mean. So that's why I always wear slippers when I'm in the living room or when I'm in the kitchen. So my room is the only place when I don't wear slippers at home. So I bought this really cute pair of slippers and it's so adorable and it's quite comfortable at home also. So yes. Okay, I bet you're wondering what the hell is this, right? So this is actually a wig with a cap, so it looks more realistic compared to just wearing wig alone, because you won't be able to see the scalp obviously. And what you have to do is, how to wear this is just you wear the hairnet and you just put this on your head. I'm not sure how I look with this because I've yet to try it, and probably I'll try it in my next video if you guys are interested to see how I look with this. Why I decided to buy this is because there was one day I was shopping in VivoCity, then I saw this on display at one of the shop in VivoCity. I was thinking, oh my god, that's so cool. I can change my hairstyle whenever I want. I wanted to buy it on the spot, but then I saw the price and I was thinking, what if I bought it and I never wear it out. So that would be a waste of money. And if I remember correctly, it wasn't cheap at all. It cost about 40 to 50 Sing dollar. So I didn't want to spend that kind of money on something that I might not use, which is why I decided to buy it on Taobao instead. There was just one fine day, I was just scrolling through Taobao and this item appeared. Then I was thinking, oh my god, this is something that I've been wanting to buy for the longest time. So I immediately added this to my cart and I bought this during the 618 sale. So this was also on sale. When I bought it, I only paid about less than 10 Sing dollar. The color that I chose is light brown, but I don't think it's very light brown. It looks more like a dark brown or mocha shade. And I don't know whether it fit my skin tone because I'm pretty tan. I'm just so excited to try this, but I don't know where to put this at home because it looks so scary. Imagine I just put this like out of nowhere. It looks quite scary, right? So yeah, I'm still finding like a suitable place for me to keep this without like damaging the hair. And it has really beautiful waves at the end. And personally, I have really straight hair. So if I happen to want to change my hairstyle on a particular day, I will just wear this out and scare my friends. Okay, so that's the weird stuff that I bought this time around. Okay, moving on to clothes, I bought this Toga crop top. It looks like this. And this is pretty trendy nowadays. I see a lot of people wearing. I decided to buy it on Taobao because it's so cheap. I think this costs less than 5 Sing dollar. And it just looks really simple and I can match it with anything, jeans, skirt, shorts, anything that I have in my closet. So I just decided to buy it and I will probably wear it out next weekend. Yes. For this polo shirt that I'm currently wearing, it is also from Taobao. So this is from my 11/11 Taobao haul, if I'm correct. So you can check out my 11/11 Taobao haul. I also bought a lot of clothes there. So yeah, I really like it. And it's my first time wearing today. Can you believe it? I bought this in November 2019 and I'm only wearing it in July 2020. Okay, the next piece of clothes is this checkered dress in yellow. I feel I already have something similar, but it's in black and white checkered. So I really like the dress, which is why I decided to buy another one in yellow because I feel that yellow is a really flattering color. I bought this spec top checkered dress. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, I like this very much. I will wear this out on a date with Sean probably when I have the time. So yes, it's really nice and the size that I bought is S. Hopefully I can wear because I've been gaining a lot of weight. Oh, I like this, so nice. Okay, and the material is pretty much similar to the one that I already have. And no surprises, the quality is pretty good. It's not that bad. And for the price that I paid, I think it's pretty good. It is worth the money. Okay, next item. Let's see what is this. Oh, this is a romper that I bought. This is how it looks. The quality is pretty good. Oh, I really like the material. It doesn't feel very cheap. I mean, it's not very cheap lah. There are 3 different colors. I decided to go with the red one because I thought of wearing this during next year's Chinese New Year. So I have a habit of buying my Chinese New Year clothes really early because I don't want to wear the same dress or the same outfit as anyone else when I go 拜年. So if I were to buy it like 6 months or even like half a year or even 1 year in advance, no one would ever wear the same thing as me. So that's what I usually do for my New Year clothes. I tend to buy them really early so that I don't 撞衫 with anyone. Yeah, so I'm just going to wear this for my CNY visiting next year, and you can check out my Instagram for my outfit in 2021 February, or is it January? Yeah. Okay, next is this. I believe this is my PJ. Oh, it's so cute. I can totally wear this out, but it's actually a PJ. Oh, it smells bad. The material is 100% cotton and it's really airy. It feels really comfortable. So I will wash this before I wear this, of course. And yes, this is my new PJ. I like it, not bad. Okay, I have another PJ, which is also sleeveless. This one is in the mellow shade. Oh, this is pretty short. Hopefully it fits me. Oh, so cute! What does it say? Okay, it doesn't make sense at all. This material is pretty good also. It's also cotton and the material is really thin, so I think it will not be too hot when I go to bed. Both the material and the quality are pretty good. Alrighty, moving on to the last item, which is a bag that I bought. So the story of this bag is I actually saw something similar in Charles & Keith, but I didn't want to spend like 50 Sing on Charles & Keith bags because I don't think it's worth. So this is how the bag looks like. I bought the smaller size and in the mellow shade. So this color looks really nice and you can hold it like this, or you can also carry it with the stripe as a crossbody. It's pretty small inside. I think you won't be able to fit much stuff inside, but it's really affordable and it is just a very casual bag for me to use. Since I don't have any yellow color bags in my collection, I decided to just buy on Taobao. So whenever I don't feel like carrying a branded bag, I will just go for this bag, especially if I'm wearing like plain outfits like black t-shirt with jeans or whatever. I can just carry this bag because it will add a splash of color to my outfit. So yeah, this is the bag that I bought and it looks pretty good. The quality and the material is also not that bad, I would say. Yeah, so I just carry it like this when I go to brunch. So yeah, I really like it and it's pretty light also. So yeah, I think it's worth the money considering the amount that I paid for it. I can't wait to carry this out. It looks so cute. And this looks so similar to the Charles & Keith one. And the Charles & Keith one costs probably like 10 times more than this. So yeah, no complaints at all. The material is good. And yeah, I really like it. Another item that I bought is the 3-tier accessory display, which I will now insert a clip. Alright. So this is my accessory display and it looks really nice. It blends well with the overall vibe of the table, which is in the gold hardware. So this tier over here, I have my accessory boxes and I have my Dior shades, my bracelet and some of the earrings which doesn't fit into the other earring holder. So yeah, this is how it looks on my table and I'm pretty satisfied with this purchase. And I forgot to mention just now, I actually bought a few pairs of earring. Okay, just 2 pairs of earring. So this is the loop earring. Both of these are in matte gold finish. Usually I will buy the shiny gold, but this one is in matte gold finish, which looks pretty vintage and I really like them. So that concludes all the items that I bought for my 618 Taobao haul. I didn't buy as much things as I thought I did. When I received all this parcel, I was like, huh? That's all I bought? I thought I bought more stuff. So guys, that concludes today's video, and if you like to watch my Taobao haul, you can definitely check out the other Taobao haul that I've already done on my channel. So that concludes today's video and see you guys next time. Bye!